got a very heterogeneous device landscape. We've got Macs and Windows machines. We've got different kinds of mobile devices. And with that comes the overhead of having to be able to manage those effectively. But we really were striving to unify that experience. We want everyone to have a great experience no matter what device they choose to work on. And frankly, our associates are carrying multiple devices. So we want them to be as effective and proficient on their laptop as they are on their mobile phone. So we've actually been using great tools provided to us by VMware, whether it be AirWatch to deliver these secure experiences to our mobile users, and also Workspace ONE to unify and make a consistent experience across those endpoints. So we want to make sure that people have a great experience no matter what device they use, and that we can administer and manage those endpoints really effectively. We're able to deliver a very consistent experience and manage all of those endpoints in a really consistent way, and so that's how that's really coming to life for us.
So our CEO, Omar, his vision has changed really from one of a medical device industry to one of services. And so very much this transformation around services and services brokering, looking at healthcare and the challenges that you have both economically and clinically. To be very candid, some of it was technical obsolescence with a private cloud, our existing platform, just being at a point where we needed to do something differently in order to continue growing the company, required additional flexibility, capacity, security, which is one that we all talk about, particularly as we talk about cloud platforms. And so that was a significant driver, and the growth of Medtronic and where Omar sees us going.
You're also one of the early adopters looking at VMware Cloud and AWS. What do you see as promise? I know it's early days, but what do you see as the promise of where the public cloud could take you?
So right now we're very early days looking at what some of the opportunities are, and some of the use cases that we're looking at are archival, disaster recovery, burst capacity. You know, the one challenge, which I think many of you will recognize if you've done anything contractually around licensing, going from on-prem to cloud, that again is our more significant challenge.
NSX for you has been transformational. You were early in adopting this.
Yes.
And tell us a little bit about why that was so important to you.
We realize that there's a need for disruption. We need to do things more quickly. We need to have greater agility in everything we do. And a part of that is infrastructure. And so we went after the servers first. There was a lot of opportunities. We worked with VMware on that. And now, after that, we went after the network, which is really saying we can't bottleneck getting what our customers need at any point in our infrastructure. And NSX has been fantastic at accelerating our ability to provision networks, at securing our networks.
So we're really a mobile organization, but our technology got behind, so we weren't as mobile as we wanted to be. So the acquisition of these technologies has helped us both on a mobility standpoint and also help pave the way for us to deliver new modern technology, whether it's hardware or whether it's software, whether Windows 10, new browsers, applications, but still allow us to align to the legacy line of business applications that aren't yet as modern.
And you see a world where whether it's the employees or these contractors, they'll be able to get any app on their particular device.
It's a little cliche, but it's really real for us. Any device, anywhere, and that's what we've been able to do, and that's what we're still working towards.
And literally anywhere means like anywhere in the world.
Anywhere you can get internet.
That's awesome. That's great.